For real. Damn, y'all sweating hard as a bitch out this motherfucker. It's like 94 degrees.
I need to get my muffler to the ASAP.
That bitch sound good, don't it?
I won't even hear my shit down shit, bro. I don't know why. I don't know if it's my transmission or what.
I mean, it's a 5-speed though.
What is this?
7. The Q was 7 as well.
That's why my fucking transmission was better.
He's talking about some come on. Oh, he want me to come on. He want me to come on. Oh, that's right here, ain't it?
Yeah.
Man, he cutting on the corner. Damn, he cutting on the corner. What, that's over?
Yeah. Add it, let it go. You're good, go. Up. Yeah. You said hella early. Ew. You look hella big on a bike. Nah, he got it though. Okay. Because he keep popping the clutch. Isn't it?
Yeah.
I like this.
Feel fun, don't it?
That shit is so fun.
So when you go, right?
Uh-huh.
When you go, stop popping the clutch. That's why you almost flew up.
Okay.
So when you go right here, watch out. Get off real quick. I'm gonna show you.
My man drive the G. Back road edition. Maserati. You better careful. Ain't no fucking deer pop out on us, man.
Nah, bro. I know. Nah, ain't no deer.
No deer. You sure? Oh, he downshifting that shit like he know what he doing. Oh, that's a straight shot. Right. Yeah, that shit's smooth. Oh, that's Stevenson?
Yeah, bro.
Oh. That car better wait. Oh, my
yeah,
God.
right. That is good. But yeah, if you ever want to like get some good content, bro, come back here, bro.
Come back here,
It's
yeah.
more. You gonna see like the wines. You gonna see the wine.
You said where? Well, I'm trying to come with you. What far is you going? Am I for the week?
I want you to drop the car.
Alright, that's about.
I'm not fucking about transmission. I'm about to get a different car.
Alright.
Like if you can't fuck with it, bro, I'm just gonna get.
I know where the hell we at. It's like going towards the I know where we at. I have a strut bar in my trunk that I need to put on.
Yeah, put on.
Yeah.
Yeah. When you go around, you can feel like you got a good back end.
Yeah.
You can tell it's rear wheel drive for sure.
Yeah.
Feel light up front.
Light as fuck up front.
Me usually I'm used to like gripping.
The gripping
you
and
know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you can really
Yeah, off the hills, coming on like up and down basically.
Real shit.
So I'm used to that front wheel drive. I'm used to it gripping, but it's a little looser. Right. So you had to be able to. It's like you got to go in and out before your turns for real. Yeah, bro. When you get a tune, tell them to you can do that yourself. You can do that.
Oh yeah, throttle shit. Yeah.
Your cable throttle.
The cable throttle. Yeah.
Yes.
What's it called? Pedal Commander.
No, I don't know about that.
Yeah,
Shit off that.
Yeah, he did blow his engine out of that fucking Pedal Commander shit.
Now the smooth though.
The downshift and the upshift, bro. That shit.
No, the downshift quicker than the upshift.
Yeah.
Yeah. See some roundabout action.
What you mean some roundabout action?
Let's get some roundabout action.
You do not know how to drift this bitch.
Who?
Is that Carlos?
Who don't know how what?
What's up?
I slide a bit right now. Round roundabout right now. Round roundabout.
Say you're not doing that, boy.
I ain't go. That's the front. She yokes, bro. Like, you gotta get in there, bro. Like, you gotta really get in there, bro. Like, with steering in this, bro, you gotta really get in there, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta really be able to drive. You have to be able to drive. Yeah. But it's not too much power to where like a noob can't drive.
Car, yeah, new driver.
Like it's good. Like I said, it's good.
He's trying to take off. Yeah, it's that car. Yeah, it is.
It's beautiful, bro. Niggas just coast this out.
Yo, Juan, shut your ass up back there. Talking about some damn popcorn machine. Shut up. Fuck. he want to keep talking about back popcorn machine in the fucking back car.
Look at this, man. Look how beautiful this is, bro.
No, this shit is hard. This nigga trying to waste my gas. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to ride that dirt bike a couple more times, man.
Yeah. That's why I'm not trying to hold ass in it. Just trying to cruise it out for real. Nah, bro. This bitch smooth, bro.
Fuck with it?
Yeah, bro.
Sure. Oh, yeah.
Sure.
What you say? You get one, damn it?
I don't fuck my transmission. Shit ass.
Hey, he got 04 G35. I man. Y'all know some 5 speed for it. It ain't no 7 speed.
I don't like how it shifts.
So I think his shit downshifts and upshifts slow as a motherfucker.
You need it.
M5M. Oh my god, it's a fucking M5M. I think it was. Or X5 something.